All right, so we're gonna do 0 to 60 on all the BMWs here. E39 530, E60 528, E90 328, X5, E53 X5 3.0, and another E39 525 outside. So we're gonna do the E60 528 Xi first. Okay, so we're in the E60. We're gonna do 0 to 60. Monihiki, what do you think? How many seconds?
5 seconds.
I'd be a little optimistic. We'll see.
6 or 7. I don't know.
I think probably. This thing's pretty big. Probably 8.5. That's my guess. Let's pull up. Let's stage it up here, if you can call it that. We'll put sport mode. And you got the stopwatch. All right. In sport mode. 1, 2, 3. Actually spun a little bit. That's
7 seconds.
Really?
Yep.
Should do it one more time just for, we'll stop up here. 1 second here and we'll go again. I'm surprised it spun in all-wheel drive. There's a guy like right there, so maybe we should. Alright, let's try it right here. Reset. You ready?
Yep.
Go. Spun again. Alright.
8 seconds.
Alright. Did you hit it late?
Yeah.
So what was the first time?
7.
7 flat?
7 something. I was trying to hit the stop button, but I missed it.
Alright. Okay, so we're probably looking 8 seconds, realistically. Alright, so what do you think, Monihiki? How E90, 07 E90, 328 Xi. What do you think? How many seconds?
10 seconds.
I'm gonna say 9. This thing's not too quick. Pull up here, we'll stage her up. Sport mode. Are you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Did it shift? Did it shift? It's all rattling. All right, do over. Okay, so the E90 is not going to ship to sell, so we're going to have to babysit it here, and we're going to have to do it. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's all spark knocking. Spark knocking or real knocking? Misfire. Well, we didn't get
11 seconds.
11 seconds, we didn't get to 60. All right, well, go back home for it, blow it up. All right, so E39 530i, no emissions flash. This is gonna no doubt be the fastest car, more than likely. Never know. Sport mode. Go up here and get staged up. Probably got to spin. We'll see. All right. What do you think, Monihiki? I bet 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's what I bet.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Definitely the fastest. Stop.
8 seconds.
Really?
Yep.
Let's try to get one more in. Felt way fast, but goes to show you though, can't always tell by that. Different cars feel different ways. Stop, turbo go again. It's still in sport. And ready?
Yep.
Go. And stop. What'd you get?
861.
Really?
Yep.
It's kind of shocking. Yeah, so the E60 was, so far, is debatably the fast car. Now we have the 325i, 525i. I think we'll do that one next. Same flash, same tune as this one. Curious to see if it's the same speed. I'd venture to say it probably is almost identical to this one. Okay. We're an E39, 2003 E39 525i. No emissions tune. This car hasn't really been tested very much, so I'm a little leery. Of it. Monhiki, what do you think? 8 seconds in a 530?
I don't know.
9?
Yeah, 10.
Alright, oh. Shit, buddy. What are you doing? There. Go over there. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Holy. And stop.
9.
9.47.
Yep.
So it is a little bit slower. But still, I mean, it felt... What's so weird about it, these E39s, it feels faster, but it's not. It feels a lot faster. Just because the car is older? I really don't know. Who knows? Let's do the X5. I know it's going to be slow. Well, you never know, though. Alright. 2002 X5 3.0. So same engine as the 530i, except a lot heavier. What do you think, Monhiki?
12 seconds.
12 seconds?
10.
Let's say 10.
Yeah, 10.
Alright. Sport mode?
Wait.
Oh, Face ID. There you go. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. And stop. 10.3. All right, back to the house we go. So, I mean, really, it was a little bit alarming that the E60 was the fastest, and by a pretty good margin. You never can tell. Different vehicles feel slower. The E90's got some kind of issue, and it's had it since I bought it back. I'm not sure what that is. I'm almost gonna say it's probably that rear catalytic converter is getting stopped up, because always random misfire on 4, 5, and 6, and never the front 3 cylinders. Has a separate cap for the rear. All the valve covers new on it. The actual BMW valve cover, all the hoses and stuff are all new. And I really don't know. It's definitely not a spark plug. It has all new coil packs in it now. It was down to 1/4 of a tank on gas, but it's done that before randomly when it was full of gas. So that's not the case, but that's the 0 to 60 on all the cars here. The X3 is not here right now, so we can't do that. But I would think that would fall somewhere between the 530 and the X5, because that's the same engine. So that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. We'll talk to you later.